fading view of the night, when the air went out of the room, out the door, in the cold, something stood small and overexposed. Crescent moon overhead, I did not notice it. Shadow dark, shadow low, underneath the streetlight glow. Beat the restless out of me, ground me into the earth, pave over my heart, show me where I can start, drag me from my room, teach me how to breathe, pull me by my roots, drag me from the sea. The spirit moved, shook my sleep, shook my heart from somewhere deep, wrestled me down, takes me out, sits unresolved within itself. Exploding boy, exploding heart, out across the midnight sky. Broken hand reaches out, searches for something pure. Crisis room is a fire, and it's burning itself out. Dim the lights, bring me out, push against the exhausting night.